How to use crying filter on Instagram. So you may have seen the crying filter on other videos online. I'll show you how to get that one and also the Instagram filter as well. So for this, first of all, on the Instagram app, click the plus at the top middle of the screen there. Then you can post your story or whatever. Click on that. I'm going to do story right here. And then you want to click on your camera, so that's going to be bringing up the filter effects, and from that you can kind of scroll along the bottom to the right hand side where it says all the filters and stuff, as you can see me doing there. And then you want to go all the way along until you see browse effects. Click on that, and then it's going to bring up this effect gallery here. And then you want to click the top right hand corner, the little magnifying glass, and then you want to type in crying. And then from there you'll see a few filters. I'm going to click the one at the middle right hand side. That's the one on Instagram that's most used. You can click try it in the bottom left, and that will kind of give you that crying filter. That may not be the filter that you want, but if it is, you can click it with a picture just by tapping it at the bottom, or you can do a video by holding it in. But if this is not the crying filter you want, there is another one, and how you're going to get that is by going on to the Snapchat app for this, and you can do it on there. I do have a video at that I'm going to put in the description at the end of the video, and once you've done it on Snapchat you can go into here and kind of add the videos from your camera roll on your phone and then upload it like that. Let's say for instance if you've done the filter on here and then put it on there on Instagram for a story or whatever. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do one of those things, subscribe for more helpful videos.